Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows 11 is not recognizing USB devices, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So first of all, search for device manager and open the device manager. Okay, now scroll down and expand universal serial bus controllers. Right click on the USB root hubs and update all of them, each and every one of them. Then, if that still doesn't help, try connecting them to different slots on the same computer, different USB slots. If that doesn't help, check the cable if it's working with a different computer. Okay, so these are the only three fixes that you can try because the only thing that is preventing the USB devices from being recognized on your computer is the drivers. There's nothing else at the software level itself. It can only be at the hardware level. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.